Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 15th of May, 2024. Equity benchmark indices fell on Wednesday, thus halting the three-day winning streak. The 30-share BSE Sensex slipped 117.58 points or 0.16% to close at 72,987.03. The NSE Nifty dropped 17.30 points or 0.08% to finish at 22,200.55. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were Coal India, Cipla, BPCL, while losers were Asian Paints, Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Mahindra & Mahindra Limited gained 1.5% to hit an all-time high of 2,306 rupees apiece on May 15, a day before the auto major is scheduled to announce its January-March quarter results. According to Moneycontrol's poll, the company's profit is slated to rise by a mere 2.5% year-on-year to 2,026 rupees crore in quarter for financial year 2024, while revenue from operations is expected to climb 7% year-on-year to 24,182 rupees crore in quarter for financial year 2024. Earlier, M&M's wholly owned subsidiary Mahindra Holdings executed a share purchase agreement for sale of its entire stake in New Delhi Centre for Site. Shares of BHARATI HEXACOM rose nearly 6% on May 15 after the Bharti Airtel Arm's March quarter earnings prompted Jefferies to raise the target price on the stock. On May 14, Bharti Hexacom reported 10.2% year-on-year growth in net profit at 222.6 rupees crore for the January-March quarter on the back of strong operating margin performance, strong customer additions and ARPU increase in mobile services. The company, which offers consumer mobile services, fixed-line telephone, and broadband services in Rajasthan and the Northeast circles, saw its revenue from operations grow 7.8% year-on-year to 1,868 rupees crore in the quarter. On the operating front, EBITDA for the quarter increased by 14.6% to 914 rupees crore with margin expansion of 290 basis points at 48.9% compared to the year-ago period. Shares of Siemens surged over 7% on May 15 to hit a 52-week high of 7,240 rupees apiece on the National Stock Exchange after the company's March quarter results beat street estimates, aided by a strong margin performance and higher other income leading to a sharp beat on profit. According to analysts, Siemens is better placed to benefit from robust railway metro capex, especially on large system order potential. Brokerages retained bullish calls on the stock and raised target prices as they believe that the company will continue to benefit from a strong demand environment, especially in transmission, data center, EV, railways, semiconductor, electronics and hydrogen. Along with the quarterly results, Siemens board approved a proposal to demerge its energy business into a separate legal entity. Siemens Energy India Limited shares of OBEROI Realty jumped 7% to hit a 52-week high of 1,629 rupees in Wednesday's trade on BSE after the Realty developer reported a 64% year-on-year rise in net profit at 788 rupees crore for the quarter ended March. A net profit of 480.3 rupees crore. Its revenue from operations increased by 36.8% to 1,314.8 rupees crore compared to 961.4 rupees crore in the corresponding period of the preceding fiscal. At the operating level, EBITDA stood at 788.6 rupees crore in the fourth quarter of this fiscal over 368 rupees crore in the corresponding period in the previous fiscal. The EBITDA margin stood at 60% in the reporting quarter versus 38.3% in the year-ago period. Wealth First Portfolio Managers Limited in daily time frame is trading around 875.25 points with a change of 19.1% and is trading with a net volume of around 124.583 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 820.70, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 61.64. Honda India Power Products Limited in daily time frame is trading around 2,812.90 points with a change of 14.29% and is trading with a net volume of around 234.967 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 2,480.70, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.28. Kundon Edifice Limited in daily time frame is trading around 176.95 points with a change of 12.64% and is trading with a net volume of around 182.4 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 159.48, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 62.87. For the stock recommendation we have, Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals Limited looks good and can be bought at 339 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 325 rupees and a target of 353 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.